Today we're going to take a look at a small fireworks assortment from TNT called Fireworks Storm Shock. My daughter Scarlett will be here helping us unbox this, and then the second part of the video we will light these off so that you can see what they look like.
We've done that one and that one.
Got lots of them to do, huh?
Yeah.
Want to take that wrapper off?
Sure.
Pull that back.
You pull this back.
Good job.
Then you do the plastic back here.
Good.
You don't have to do with it.
Good job.
This is what it
Okay.
looks like. And take
Alright. So let's grab the ones at the top first. At the very top.
So these are like poppers.
Let's see, what does it say? Flashing fountains, 5 pieces.
And we have this one called Color Ladybug.
Okay,
like
hold on one
this.
second. Let's take a look. What do you got there? Whoop. June bugs. Got a picture of some bugs on there.
They're called Ladybugs.
These are all small fountains, box fountains.
We have these.
Let's see what you got next. Another set of flashing fountains. Best to tape these down to whatever you're lighting them off on. Somehow find a way to anchor them, as they usually like to fall over after you light them.
Be careful with the lighter. And like
Fireflies.
fireflies.
Got some fireflies there.
Then these little.
And we've done a lot of these before. A lot of these fountains are in other assortments that you can pick
Then
up.
we do these.
Okay, hold on one second.
We
honey.
have done these ones
So
before.
we've got a diamond cutter here. Small fountain here. Fuse on the top.
A little small one right here.
Another small one called
almost-
Tequila Pop. Never done this one before.
Well, we
pretty cool
haven't done
graphic.
this one either, so yeah.
The cactus on it.
Willow.
And the sun. That's a neat picture, isn't it, Scar?
Yeah.
Okay.
And that one.
Jitterbug. Yeah, we've done this one before.
And this one looks like we haven't done.
Let's see. This is called Blue Fury.
Yeah. This looks like a bad guy.
Take a look. Money Team.
Money?
The Money Team.
I think you buy money in this one.
Looks like someone who's been boxing in the rink.
Yeah.
Okay, cool.
Now we do like this.
Just a few more here. Let's see.
Yep.
We'll get a little bit bigger towards the bottom. This one's called Squash.
Squash.
There you go.
Squash and Mr. Green.
Yeah. Fuse up top.
Ooh, and then this we have done before.
Yes, we have. You're right. This is Pyro Fan.
Mm-hmm.
It's a pretty decent little one here. Small little box.
Too, yeah.
And the last one, actually, we've got 2 more here. Fireflies, I believe.
I believe
This
those
one-
are crickets.
Yeah, firefly. Or fire ants. I'm sorry. Fire ants.
And these are crystals.
Let's take a look. Last one in here, Crystal Fountain. And there you have it right there. So those are the items that you get.
This was the box that was in it.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13 small little fountains. So let's go take a look and see what they look like. Right? Okay.
Bye.
Bye. Yeah, I do. Yep.
Why did you say that way? I smelled it.
Yeah. You ready? You good, honey?
Yeah.
Okay.
That scared me when it crashed.
Yeah. Last one, okay?